Microsoft PowerPoint. So as you can see, I've opened PowerPoint from my laptop, and you can see various presentations that I have already saved in my computer. I can either go and edit these, it will show up. So here, as you can see, click to add a title. You can just click here and type anything basically. I'll just write title. You can also add a subtitle. I'll just write subtitle for simplicity. So yeah, this is how you can see, you can just basically write a title and the subtitle to your presentation. Other than this, I'm going to be talking about various things that you can see in this home menu and how to use them and basically what most of the things does. So after that, I'll be talking a little bit about the overall layout of PowerPoint. So yeah, I hope this helps you. So yeah, I just wrote title and subtitle here. I can create a new slide by clicking on this new slide option. By the way, this is PowerPoint 2016. So out and change if you want to have a different kind of orientation of the slide, you can have it like this. You can have it various other ways. You can see it here only. So I'll just go at title and content. I'll just use this one to explain. Here, say I'll write, and I can add text here. I can say I'll write. Okay. So next thing what I'm going to be talking about is basically this box here where you can basically change the font size. You can make various formatting changes, and you can also change the color of the font. So I'm going to be showing you everything one by one. So first I'm going to show how you can change the font. So yeah, I'll just select this. I'll click on this drop down menu here, and from here you can select all these fonts. You might not be able to see all these fonts in your computer because you might not have them downloaded, but yeah, you can basically search for a lot of fonts. You can download fonts and you can use any of them. Say I'll just go with Algerian, say. So I'll go with Algerian. I can increase the size of the font, say from 28 to I can make it say 72. I can also make it 14 similarly. Let's just stick with 28 for now. So after this, let's see how the bold, italic, underline, and this 3D thing works. So yeah, when I press bold, this basically becomes dark. You can use it when you have to lay emphasis on something. This is usually used there. By italics, this will just become slightly tilted. If you underline something, obviously it will get underlined. And this also has some a feature of giving it a 3D effect. So it kind of gave it a 3D effect. You can also slash out everything by using this. Just strike through, and this you will see this line that will strike everything off. And yeah, you if you want to clear all of this, you want to clear all the formatting, you can just click here and it will make it like how it started. It will even clear all the font and etc changes that you made. So yeah, after this you can also increase the font size from here. You can simply click how much ever you would like the font to be, and you can also decrease it the similar way. Other than that, you can have various options in, like, you want everything to be in lowercase. You can click this button and you can change that also. You can change the cases. You can have uppercase. You can capitalize each word, which means the first letter of each word will become capitalized. You can have everything uppercase, or you can have something like this. You can use this also sometimes. I'm just going to keep it sentence case because it is standard. Other than that, you can go to this option right here which says A and it has a red color under it. It's basically font color, as you can see. You can go here and change the font color to whatever you like. So yeah, say I've changed my font color to red. I can change it back to black, and I can even explore more colors here. So yeah, you can do all this. I'm just going to stick with black for now. Other than this, you might have various points. So yeah, say I have these 3 points. I don't want bulleting here. I want something else. You can go to this box where you'll find various types of bullet points. So I'll choose this. Say I can even give them numbers by selecting on this option. I can give them numbers. I can name them as an ABC 1 2 3. I can give them Roman numerals.
Hello everyone, I'm Pallavi. I'm volunteer at Youth Empowerment Foundation. In this video, we will discuss how to insert a table. So for inserting a table, we can simply insert it from here. You can see my arrow at the table. So I can simply put a table from here, selecting as many rows, as many columns as I want, or I can select from insert table. So here I'm clicking on the insert table. So at insert table, I can specify the number of columns. So here I'm specifying 4. And in number of rows, I'm specifying 3. Click OK. And here we got our table. So we can increase or decrease the size of table as per our convenience. Here I have increased the size. Here I am decreasing the size. So it totally depends upon us how to increase the size or decrease the size. From here we can change the color of the table. For example, I'm taking this color. So we can choose whatever color we want. We can type anything here in any cell. So like I have written my name, I can also change its style from here, quick style. So I can change the style like I have chosen this. So here I have changed the style of my name. Go to the picture. So here we will learn how to insert a picture. So for inserting a picture, go to the picture, click upon it, and we will get to the folder where picture are sold, or we can go from here. Like if your picture is in document, we can go to the document or downloads as we want. So here I'm selecting this picture. So see, here is my picture, but it is so small. So here from the corners I can increase its size. This. So I have increased its size. So when I click on the picture, there are so many options. This format option has appeared. So I can choose this option as, for example, if I want to add border to this picture. So here from here I choose this border. So I have added the border to the picture. I can change the color of the border. Like I have chosen this green color. So it totally depends upon us which color do we want to choose. Other things what we can do, picture effect. So in picture effect we can add shadow to the picture. So here I'm going to, so here you can see here I have added the shadow to the picture. So wherever I will take the picture, the shadow will go along with it. In the picture effect, other things what we can do, glow, soft touch, but the important is here reflection. So when we go to the reflection, so here you can see when I select the reflection, here you can see that we are having a reflection of the picture.
Hi, my name is Shweta Sahu and I'm a volunteer in YEF Youth Empowerment Foundation, and I'm here to tell you or show you how we can add animations in our PowerPoint. Okay, so let's get started. Let me show you how we add animations. Okay, first of all, choose any text or any picture, anything you want to choose, or add animations to it. Okay, let me show you. Let's say I want to add animation on this life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, select the text, like Okay, like this. Mm, Go to animations, add whatever animations you want to add. Let's say random bars. Okay, yeah, you can see that. Now there are different ways to manage your effects. Okay, so let me tell you. You can start it on a click. Okay, and with the previous plane animation at the same time as the previous animation in your sequence, and after previous means start an animation immediately after the previous one happens. Now we have a duration means you can lengthen or shorten an effect. And now here is delay means add time before an effect runs. Okay, let me show you how we can add these and work on them. Let's say I want to add animation in this picture. Okay, swipe, yeah, you can see this, and I want an delay after that happens. Let's say 0.25 seconds, and duration is 0.5 seconds, and it will come on a click. Okay, as you can see these how fun these animations are, and they are pretty easy. They're pretty easy. Okay, if you want to know more, then I can show you how you can add more animations on the objects which are already have animations. Like select an object. Let's say I want to add animation on this picture, and you can already see I already add animation on this picture, but I want to add again next animation. So I will select this picture and choose add animation, and let's say I will select zoom. Yeah, okay. Let's see how we can do this. Okay, select an object which have two animations, and I want third animation to be second and second to be third. Click on the third and move earlier. Then it will show third animation earlier and second animation later. And we have one more thing in the animation. We can also add animations to the grouped object. I mean, select 2 3 objects and we can add animations together on the grouped object. Let's see, let's select both of the objects. I have selected two images, yeah, both of them, and I can add animations on both of them like this. Sure, yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Nushka Gupta and I'm a volunteer at YEF. I will be teaching you how to use themes and templates in PowerPoint presentation. Themes and templates are the backgrounds that we can choose to enhance our presentation, give it a theme, or just to make it look prettier. Now, themes and templates are almost the same. However, in a theme, we only get the background, but in a template, we get the images and the text along with it. We'll get to know what I mean once we start using themes and templates. The first thing we're going to do is try out the theme. All you have to do is click on File, go to New. Now, traditionally, we click on Blank Presentation, but since we're experimenting with themes, we could go and explore. So all these are themes here. Now if I like this theme, I'm going to click on it. I can browse, I can see different colors in this, and I like the brown one. All I have to do is press click. Now this is a theme. When I said that it will only get background, I meant the background is there and the text is the clickable text. So I don't have to erase anything and I can easily write like this. Another thing to see is that when you go to insert a new slide, you get different options. You get different types of slide you can want. So this is a blank, this is a two content one. So for example, if I want a picture and a caption, I get that in a theme as well. These are all created. Otherwise, what you have to do is insert these separately. But in a theme, you're getting it already made, and all you have to do is add your text and add your picture. However, if I go and check out what a template is, I have to do the same thing, go on File, go on New. Now this time I have to click on the search bar and write templates. You need a Wi-Fi for this because these templates are taken from the internet. Now also on the right, you can see that there are categories for the different kinds of templates I would want to have. Now I can see templates here. For example, if I want a business category template, I get a lot of them here. Now I can go and see if I want something like a conference presentation. I click on this, I click on create, and it's created. So now you can see that there are a lot of slides. It's already made presentation. All I have to do is edit it according to myself. So when I said that there was a slight difference, this is the difference. So you saw that in a theme there was clickable text. Here you have to delete the existing text in case you want to write something else. So template. Now you can also see that you can insert, similarly, you can insert a new slide and it will give you the same options as it gave it in the theme. But here you already have a lot of these slides inserted. You can delete them like you do in presentation. And this is more or less like already made presentation in which you just have to edit.